Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Jacqueline wig by Envy in the color medium gray. Medium gray is a bit like the light gray, and the dark gray had a baby gray. So you can see here that this one has a little bit of all of the above in it. It's got, you know, that really nice sort of, soft sort of grayish granite color in there, and it's also got that white in there. So that's what makes this the medium gray. Jacqueline is small. She fits small. This one is really tight on me and I had difficulty getting it on my head. So I would say this one definitely fits petite average for sure. Let me go ahead and do a 360 for you because it's kind of hurting my head because I have a big head, and I'm going to take it off to do the rest of the review, but I want to show you what it looks like first. Now I'm going to take this one off. Okay, so Jacqueline fits small, just remember that. She has an open cap with a bump of permatease at the crown and a generous band of felt right here at the front hairline. She's got open ear tabs, so she's easy to wear glasses with. She has an extended nape with, a little thingy here that's kind of like a bra strap in the back. She's not super stretchy anywhere. So here is what the permatease on the top of Jacqueline looks like in the medium gray. Here's what the nape looks like. So you can see that color really well. It's a really nice gray. But yeah, I'm not going to try to put this one back on my head because I have an average large cap size and this one just fits a little too tight on me. So let me go over some specs and then we'll call this one a day. This is 2.25 inches. It's great bang length there. Very, very, very manageable. The crown down is also 2.75 inches, as are the sides, which are also 2.5. And the nape is super short at 1.75 inches. And this is it's a less than 2 ounce wig. It's like 1.89 ounces. So this is Jacqueline. She's a little pixie with a lot of volume on top of the crown. And she will wear very nicely on somebody who's looking for a petite average cap size wig with a lot of lift in the back. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Yeah, I know this is technically an average wig, but trust me, the fit is everything. Anyhow, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you found this informative, and until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.